Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Discord profile picture on your PC. So all you have to do is simply launch the Discord application on your PC and sign into your account. And then from here, all you have to do is click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner next to your profile name. So click on it. And then from here, all you have to do is simply click on profiles. And then within the profiles, all you have to do is scroll down and find the change avatar option and click on it. Now you'll see two sections. You can upload an image or you can choose a GIF file. Now for this, you have to have Discord Nitro, but since I don't have that, I'll just choose a custom image. So all I have to do is simply click on upload image and then choose a random image from your files. So I'll choose that one. And then now from here, simply crop that image to suit your needs. So you can either increase it or you can enlarge it or reduce it. So whichever option you prefer, just choose it. Then you can rotate the image if you'd like to. So once you're done, simply click on apply. And then to confirm these changes, simply select save changes at the bottom. And then give it a few seconds. And then you have to confirm you're a human. So click on I'm a human and then confirm the process. So complete this option and then verify, then give it a few seconds. And there you go, the changes have been applied. So once you go back, you can click your profile and you can see the changes have been applied. So that's basically it on how to change your profile picture on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.